Ka jingsimpor hadu sau pendus Snem baka Mawlai water supply scheme kanyo ban bujino ikipai balasarang kabala urlong daga jingtre sitom jong meli bamanta ba PT sau kumi banwa dikilat kilinti bat ki jingkersya nak sarkar MDA hapo ka jingelam jong konrat ke sangma kumum tirang ba ya katai ke project sam kabala sakri nadu kisnem sejak ndai spa nyu pusau kalayo hadu enri Klur tam leng baka project amrut jong sarkar pedeng lawan ban penbenahi do mentirang ba hne ka step hamulai nong pedeng ha ka jelang ka balengkot haswa bu unit chadelhi Shwa kaniu mentirang ba ulong ba katai project la urlong hamulai ka dei namar ka jingbut dien jong melie ka jongki uba PT sau kumi uba nakapor sakapor ujuan mi isa office jong u nakabanta ka jingdon kam ha ka konsunsi u konrad ulong ba kani kan riu Klur riu saulak ka dei ka fies ka baningkong bat kin pentrai kap ba di ka fies ka ba aru kin simkia ban pun ulong kumbala kerpat o melie ka than.
So this is a very important project, and I would just thought I'd inform all of you about that project too. But let me assure you that the Mawlai area is something that is very important for us. My friend was mentioning about not being in the ruling side. I can assure you, as a government, for us, we are a government for the whole of the state. We try to work to ensure that there is a balanced development throughout the state. When we are in election mode, we are in parties, but when it comes to governance, then we are a government for all the people, irrespective of ruling or opposition. So we always ensure that we help everybody, and I'm very happy that this project is coming through. I'm sure this will help the people of Mawlai, and let me assure our local MLA that we will continue to do our best to ensure that the people of Mawlai get as much development as possible under his leadership as MLA and under the entire working of the government. So, as well as the state government is very keen to ensure that proper drinking water supply through proper pipes is given to all the households, at least in the rural areas for sure, and also to move towards the urban areas, whichever are old and whichever is left. So our endeavor will be to cover and to renew the ones that are damaged also. So therefore there is a massive work and massive program going on with the effort both of the central government and the state government to give proper drinking water supply through pipelines. It is with this intention today we are happy to announce and inform all of you that some of the old feeder lines and the pipelines that are here in Mawlai that's been there for a very long time, which have not been repaired, with the continuous intervention and continuous push from your local MLA, who has been very active, and he visits my office very often to take up issues about Mawlai. So with his efforts, we have been able to push this through, and now the 6.4 crores to replace the old pipes have been taken up, and once we finish this, we are hopeful that further we'll be able to take up things in a second phase also. So definitely it will be the endeavor of the government to ensure that the old pipelines are replaced and new pipelines come in, but it may not happen in one go. So in the first phase we'll be taking up this main line of 6.4 crores, and then the second phase we will take up the rest.
Haswa kani nakaliang ba proses ba ajingkan pliang sobhai konrat ula ai khublei bat penpau ya kajisongu yo mentirang ba kajala bola penyo ya kani scheme.
Under leadership, though you are not, I'm not from your party. Even then you take care for that. It seemed that the main important you thought for the overall development. That's why that I wanted to inform you that from your side you have already been sanctioned 6 crore lakh 90,000. Removal of the old pipe from there, I've already mentioned, is up to the president of our country.
Uba proses lapan tiap ru ba hapo ubrai risau ki ngej bakinyo bersedang no ban bujli ya kini kipai balasarang ki balong kadau ba jong kajing kedu hapo kamulai.
Mata ya borok ki pait ki barim ki badan mata hapo. Ki badan mata hauni hapo ndau hauni hapo so hapo surak mata kini ki pait weng no por kini ki pait barim khan weng no. Te hakaju kapor nakaliang jong bandang pi ching rai kan ba. Balak no kini ki kontraktor ki bateri ni kam ki hap ban syuti banti de ki brio khanang ba kajing keduk khanang ba kanamdan kanuk penurut hamtam ya kajing keduk kajing hakaliang umbam udi Dengan ni persiang hina kalian jengah pada kalian PhD, hapor bagi tray yang nikam. Bang ini ngilaikan hak tarukom. Hakapor bateri ini pekat bagi tap no pek. Lakadei si 4 meter, master 10 meter ini tap no mata yo pek. Kanang ba, kan kan kerdu atau nak bertajing pek ba. Nang bandak yang jeng PhD habak terkait yang profesor. Ban pani ya kejingrap ya sanction nang si minister. Si minister obat hi yang finance planning. Bandak yang sanction pat ya kipet ke beri pos nomor kau nang ba ngila ya ka ban weng ya kalika kejing kerdu ka badai ka hapok jangka mulai kondisi para kowe. Di kita ibang ka ban buah khabar. Jom